wrist a little bit, crimp the tape so you're not impeding the thumb web space too much. And this is not a really tight piece that goes on. And this comes up in front of the wrist crease and then back up to itself. Okay? And just attaches like that. So hold it up. Okay? The next part is to make your fan. And the handout, there should be another page on the end there. Sorry, it didn't get included. But the fan basically is made up of 3 different pieces of tape. 3's fairly adequate. Just arrange them in a fan shape. Okay, so the actual intersection of all the pieces